Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add debit card on your Prime Video. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your account. So just go up here, you click here on this picture here and up, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go up, you click here on the sign settings and up, then it's going to take you here in this window. Then you just go down and you click here on manage account, then you come to next window here and you just click here on set payment method. Then you come to next window here, and here you can so you can add your credit or debit card. Just here in this window you add your information and you click here on add your card, and it's going to add video on your Prime Videos. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish know you I gave it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.